Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. If you are new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making like a skillet ground turkey and rice meal situation. I don't really know what to call it, but it's really easy. It's perfect for those summer days where it's hot and you just want to get dinner done and over with, or lunch or whatever. So this recipe is it's perfect. It's delicious. My kid loves it. Everybody loves it. So I'm so excited to share it with you. Yeah, enjoy. Bye.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and beyond your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything